Okay, so to build the Nextcloud, log into your DigitalOcean, go to Droplets, create a droplet. Okay, now here select Ubuntu, go for the log LTS. For the demo purpose, we'll keep it basic with the regular SSD, simple one, and the lowest one, GB, 1 CPU. Location will keep it India, Bangalore. The network, let it remain. So for this purpose, we'll use password, simple authentication, but it's always better to have SSH. From here, select the free one, whatever monitoring will put. Password not safe, okay. Then name the droplet. We'll name it Nextcloud. And if you are using text, keep it Nextcloud only. Whatever you want, okay. And then create the droplet. So we created it quickly. So okay, it's ready. Open your command, this thing of PowerShell. Type SSH root, iterate the IP address, public IP. Okay, enter. Put the password that you gave for this thing and enter. And you're into your Linux machine. Okay, so these are the commands that will require. I'll put it in the description below. The first one, not sudo, it's sudo. Okay, copy, paste. This will update the VM to the latest this thing, security patches and everything. Oh, small sudo. That should be small. Okay, click yes, and this will update. Okay, almost done. Okay, okay, next we add a user. Command is add user and the username. Give a password. Retype the password. Put a full name and all this is required. And enter yes. Okay, next we add the created user to the sudo group. Okay. Next we install the Nextcloud. That is command is sudo snap install Nextcloud. Okay, this will download the Nextcloud. Okay, that completes. Let's confirm that it is done. Yes. Okay. Then we add the administrative account user. Then give a username after this command and the password. Then we navigate Savio. Okay. And enter Savio 2022. Okay. Okay. Next we have to add the trusted domain this time. Okay, this is command. Copy this thing. Let's see the trusted domain list. At the moment it is localhost. So we add a domain to the value and give the domain name. At the moment I'll give savio.ashtel.site. So ashtel.site is the domain which we have. The subdomain is created. So now this is added to the trusted domain list. Okay, then we open the firewall ports 480 and 443. Copy this and paste and okay, once it's then clear the screen and then we install the lets-encrypt certificate. Copy this command, paste and follow the instruction. Go here, enter an email. This is a must required. The domain which you have given over here. This will take a little time. And it's done. Okay, so that's it. Our Nextcloud is ready. The next part is to go to the open the browser and check the domain. Put the domain name, the user that we created, the password savio2022 and login. And here we have a Nextcloud up and running. Okay, so we'll see this intro. Normal intro. What is the thing? So open source, 100 source, and one of the best out there. These apps you get for the mobile and Android and the iOS. So let's start using. The photos will come under your photos tab. And there's the videos. The files you can store over here. Like this file over here. You can share this file. Create a link. Click once. Link is copied. If you click the three dots, you'll get another option: allow editing, password protection, expiry date, these options. Okay, after this is the dashboard. activities, you get to see what you have done today. Go to the settings, and here you get other options. And change your profile. Going on the Nextcloud VM. Let's see what has happened over here. If you go to access the graphs, the one last term, so it is not putting any more big load, but you need a good memory enabled this thing.